Hi, I'm Chris Funk, owner of Cool Touch Air Conditioning and Heating, and I wanted to talk to you about this super deal that we're offering right now. It's called our Super Sweet 16 Special, and here's how it goes. You buy any Amana 16 Seer or above system, and I'm going to give you 16 years all parts and all labor warranty. On top of that, I'll give you a lifetime unit replacement warranty if the compressor ever goes out. I'm going to throw in a 2-year test drive so that you've got 2 years to make for sure that you're completely happy with the system. If you're not completely happy with it, you let us know, we'll pull it out, we'll give you your money back, no questions asked. I'm also going to throw in a free duct cleaning so that we can go through this system, make sure that everything's good, everything's clean, you got nothing to worry about. Here's how the offer works. I'm going to give you a 20% discount off of normal book pricing. Then you also get a $250 instant rebate and a $750 Visa gift card. So here's an example of a 3-ton system. Normally it's priced at $11,179. After the 20% discount, the rebates, the Visa gift card, you can have that unit installed for $79.43. So here's how you contact us. Go to our website, cooltouch.us. Click on Request an Estimate. We'll get somebody out to go over all the details with you, make sure that everything's good to go. We'll get it installed, and as usual, kick back and relax. We'll keep you cool.